Alright, good morning, YouTube world. I got a hard starting issue with my four-door forward drive normal. And I've changed the fuel pump, fuel filter, idle air control valve. I cleaned it, and then I have a 6-liter that I'm rebuilding for a 3/4 ton that I put it on, and it hasn't helped. There was no starting issue with that truck, just a turn bearing. But it would start and then just have low oil pressure. What else? I took the coil packs off the motor that I was building, because they're just laying around. I made that swap. Fuel pressure regulator, made that swap. Then thought maybe that one was bad and went and bought another one for $60. Just trying to run it down, no codes. And this is what I wanted to show you, besides my morning face. But when it's warm, let me pull that back out. When it's warm, so it will be a hard start. 2 or 3 times it won't crank. It just whines, and then it finally catches up, and it's kind of slow about progressing. Kind of ramps up to RPM instead of starting at RPM and falling back. So I'm thinking it's losing fuel pressure, except it's been sitting here all night. So I got back here at 6 yesterday evening, and now it's 7:30 the next morning, and I'm fixing to show you what happened. So here it goes. I'm gonna turn the key on, and it just crank it. It just cranks cold as a stone. Cranks up. I hear the 2 seconds of the. I have an AirTech pump in it now, and 2 seconds, and it's pressurized and cranks. So is it something physical with the gas and the cold motor where it takes less pressure? I'm thinking about that in my mind. I guess I got a handle on the physics that if it's hotter gas, it's more vapor though, right? I don't know. So that's my question. So send me back a video or respond here underneath. Have a good day.